Alright, back on the big block scene. This is one of my big block cylinder heads. I don't think anything wrong with it, but she going to the machine shop today to get hot tank and pressure tested and all that kind of stuff. So I'll get back with you on the other side. Big block Chevy cylinder head, big inch. Yeah.
Back there in a minute.
Okay.
Let's see. That's all I need. You still got the same phone number as last time. 5826. Good deal, man. All right, I'll get this one handled for you. And she's got your other one in.
We'll inspect what's in the bag later. Okay, so I picked this cylinder head up from the machine shop. You can see it's been resurfaced. Okay, I didn't have it milled or anything because technically there was nothing wrong with the cylinder head. It's just something when you're building an engine that you just do. You take it to the machine shop and get these done. So it's been hot tanked. I already have new valve springs I'm going to put up here, so all of that's coming off. Okay, so we're gonna have some more things done. I just had it hot tanked just to clean it up a little bit. Okay, so just wanted to show you my big block cylinder head. Real excited about it.